Hi guys, it's Mrs. Saucetta. I'm here to show you how to complete your work for either 104 or 105, depending on if you're an A day or a B day. So we're looking for the assignment 104 or 105, evaluating energy sources. So when you're on the assignment, you'll notice the three-step instructions. Number one, you're going to complete a non-academic vocab assessment. The Google form link is attached. You're going to complete a review of the energy sources, advantages and disadvantages. The slide's also attached. And then you're going to complete the Google slide attached to record facts and evaluate which energy source you think is best to use. So number one, complete the non-academic vocab assessment, Google form link attached. So this is a Google Forms link. Now I want to explain that this is not graded. Every year, we have to show that our students have grown, and I want to see my students grow in non-academic vocabulary. So you're going to take this assessment multiple times. It is not graded. It's just to show how you've grown. So these words, these non-academic vocab words, are not words that are related to science. You're not going to see things like photosynthesis or lithosphere, anything like that. These are words that you'll see in any subject on any test you take, whether it's a STAR test, a benchmark test, or a quiz in one of your classes. You'll see these words in every class. And I want to see which of these words do you already know, and then we'll take it again throughout the year, and we're going to see how you've grown. We'll compare our scores every time we take this. And so words like accurate, expand, characteristic. So go ahead and take this. It's not graded, but do your best. And like I said, we will take this multiple times. So once you finish that, you can exit out, and you're going to go review energy sources and complete the Google slide that's attached. So there's only one slide attached. Go ahead and open that up. So number one, it says read all the energy sources slides. The energy source slides are right here. It says click here to review the energy sources. So you would click here, and this will take you to all the energy sources, and it also gives you instructions again. We're going to read all the slides. You're going to write one fact about each energy source, write 3 sentences explaining which energy source you think is best to use and why, and then you're going to share your answer, share your vote on Answer Garden. So there's information about all these different energy sources. So take some time and read over this. Once you're done reviewing, you can go back here. You're going to write one fact about each of the energy sources. You're going to write 3 sentences explaining which energy source you think is best to use and why. And then you're going to click here to share your answer on Answer Garden. So it says, which energy source do you think is best to use? And so far, most students are picking solar energy, solar energy. Whichever word is the largest, that's the word that got the most votes. So right now, solar energy is the most popular choice. But go ahead and add your answer in. If you finish early, I'd like you to do these 3 activities linked below. Once you're done, make sure you turn in the assignment on Google Classroom. And if you have any questions, make sure you comment.